What's the meaning of autarchy? Autarchy. Autarchy.
Autarchy. Autarchy. Autarchy is a system of government or economics in which a country or community is self-sufficient and independent, relying on its own resources to meet its needs instead of trading with other nations or regions. The result of autarchy can vary depending on the specific circumstances and how well the community in question is able to sustain itself. In some cases, it can lead to greater resilience and stability, while in others it can result in inefficiencies and a lack of access to essential resources not available locally.